shocking case of medical negligence. A newborn died after it was severely bitten by rodents inside a government hospital in Guntur. The 10-day-old baby was brought to the hospital for treatment for an urinary infection. The baby was kept in the ICU with 4 other babies. The baby was bitten at several places. The infant's family blames the negligent attitude of the doctors and the staff responsible for the death of the newborn. But the superintendent of the hospital denies this and says that the baby died due to the medical condition that the baby was brought in. The incident speaks volumes about the hygiene in public hospitals and the degree of care newborns receive. At South TS, Sudhir is now joining us with more details. Sudhir, we've seen cases of such negligence as far as infants are concerned coming aplenty from Bengal, but this incident coming from Guntur just shocks you.
Absolutely. The Government General Hospital in Guntur is not considered really one of the best hospitals, but for something like this to happen inside the intensive care unit where the child along with 4 other babies were actually put on ventilator, it's supposed to be a completely sterile area, and that's a place where actually rodents are able to get in, really shocks people. If you see the visuals, of course we have blurred the visuals, but if you see the raw visuals, they're extremely disturbing because the baby was bit first on Sunday night. The grandmother and the mother pointed this out to the nurses as well as the doctors and the medical staff there that the finger in the left hand was bit on Sunday night. Nothing really was done, and last night again it was bit at 2 other places, which caused his death. Of course, the superintendent, Dr. Venugopal, making it clear that it is not because of the rat bite that the baby died, but because of the complications, the medical complications, because he was operated upon on the 20th of this month, and ever since he was inside on the ventilator in the ICU at the government hospital. So the visuals extremely shocking that this kind of rodents can actually find access and bite by these kind of newborns.
Also, Sudhir, has an official case been registered by the police of medical negligence perhaps? Is any action being taken in this case?
Well, no action has been taken as of now, but what the superintendent has done is that he has constituted a committee to probe into what really happened and to take remedial steps. But perhaps it's coming a bit too late in the day, because as you pointed out, there have been cases of such incidents reported from hospitals in other states of India, but obviously first of its kind in Guntur. But even though something like this was reported on Sunday, steps weren't really taken to ensure that the entry points for those rats were blocked inside the ICU at the government hospital there.